Cool Air, Cooler Plan.
Introducing the CUCKOO VITA-S Inverter, our latest co-creation with Fuji Air. Together, we're making healthy air even cooler. Starting with the filters. The VITA-S Inverter is equipped with a vitamin C infuser, which enhances your immunity while pampering and maintaining your skin. It's the new element in your skincare routine. Meanwhile, the revolutionary silver ionizer purifies the air and removes fine particles so that anyone can breathe freely. Taking safety to the next level, UVC LED disinfection sterilizes and prevents the growth of harmful microorganisms. The cherry on top? It does all of that in an instant, green and efficient manner. For the role of filling your home with cool air, meet the golden hydrophilic fin. This corrosion-resistant fin works alongside powerful airthrow and 4D airflow to quickly and evenly distribute healthy cool air across the room. Speaking of cool, you can adjust your VITA-S Inverter anytime and anywhere with the Fuji Air app. It even has a smart auto-clean mode that keeps itself clean. Now that is self-care. Engineered with thoughtful functions and design choices, the VITA-S Inverter is future-proofed for you to enjoy for years to come. And when it comes to enjoying the VITA-S Inverter, renting is simply the cooler way. Because at just 98 ringgit per month, you may bring home the VITA-S Inverter and have it professionally cleaned every 6 months by the CUCKOO Plus service team for free. CUCKOO VITA-S Inverter. Sign up today.